Alright, y'all. We're headed to the gym right now to train some legs. Today is the day that Crystal's parents are coming to meet my parents. So wish me luck. So we're gonna get a PR on squat today. Alright, so we just getting doing squats, leg press, a bunch of other stuff. But I'm gonna show you a new exercise today. So we got just a standard quad extension machine here, and then you put on the lightest weight possible. The lightest weight is very difficult for me. So you're gonna come in facing opposite of the machine, and you're gonna tie the top of your foot into the pad right there. And that's gonna be the starting position of the movement. You can brace yourself and hold on to the machine somewhere, and then pan up, Crystal. Basically what we're gonna work is right here where the quadricep ties in. That very, like if you're looking at a shredded physique, there's that line right there. I don't know all my muscle names, but there's that line right there and you can feel it. Put your hand right there and you're gonna be working that. So you're gonna basically just go up, squeeze the top, and feel that muscle. Leg workout in the books. I was reviewing that last clip and Crystal made me aware of the fact that my tights are incredibly tight. Who would have thunk it? So I apologize for the bulge there. That was not intended to be so revealing. That was just meant to be an exercise tutorial clip. Alright, so one of the grocery stores we have here is Edwards Food Giant. What are we coming to get?
Heavy cream.
For what?
Coffee.
Our homemade espresso. This is the aisle I find Crystal in. Freaking cheating on chocolate chips. What are you looking for?
100% dark chocolate right here.
Boom. I'm trying to increase my monounsaturated fats, and this looks like a pretty good olive oil. Is that good stuff?
It's okay.
It's okay?
Heavy cream.
Crystal's found a new water flavor that she likes. What's it called?
Ozark.
Ozarka?
Sparkle. Ozarka.
What flavor?
It's a pomegranate lemonade, which is way the heck in the back.
Let me see. Pretty good stuff?
It's my favorite, yeah.
Words of wisdom here. Propel will make you hold water weight. It makes me hold like 2 pounds of water extra when I drink it. I love it, but it makes you hold water.
What's up, guys? My parents just got here. We hung out at the house for just a little bit. We have to run a couple of errands and then we're gonna head to Robert's parents' house and our parents are gonna meet and it'll be really exciting. What do you think?
You're super excited. I'm excited too.
I am really excited. I think it'll be really great because both sides mean so much to me and I love them both, and I don't know, it'll just be good to for them to see where I came from and for my parents to see who I spend so much of my time with, and yeah, so I'm really excited. Anywho, I guess we'll fill you guys in later.
Alright, y'all, so we took the camera with us to the family for the families to meet with every intention of getting some footage, but we did not mean to make a big tease for y'all. We did not get any footage. Once everybody got there, this is the first time her parents and my parents met, so we didn't whip out the camera, we just kind of let it flow naturally. It's kind of unnatural to have a camera out for people that aren't used to it.
Yeah.
So we just left the camera in the van. But just to kind of give y'all a recap, everything went great. They got along great. The vibe was good. We grilled big old huge ribeye steaks.
Huge steaks.
With salad and grilled asparagus. We ate that. We gave them kind of a tour around the house, showed them all the animals, the horses, showed them the shop. So yeah, it's kind of they came over here and we showed them the whole warehouse space. That was cool. But yeah, I think our parents got along great.
Yeah, I think everything went really well. I think my parents really enjoyed being able to meet the people that I spend so much time with, and that, you know, I'll be living around for potentially the rest of my life. So
hopefully.
Yeah, I mean, unless we do some crazy move, which is not in the plans. So, anyways, I think it was really good. I think that they get along really well.
Yeah,
really good.
For sure. Tomorrow we're gonna go hang out with her parents again. They're at Fairfield Bay, which is like an hour north of us. So we're gonna spend some time with them. I'm gonna try and get some footage of that, but didn't want y'all to think that we like let up this cool footage and we didn't film anything. So I apologize there. But yeah, it was good. It was good to just let it flow naturally. Now I go to bed. So we'll see y'all tomorrow.